Hello WPP stars, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Davide Caranchini, head chef and owner of Ristorante Materia in Cernobbio on Lake Como. Now I'm going to present you a dish which is a dessert that we call the Hommage to Milan, because it's inspired by the famous Milan recipe, so the risotto with saffron and bone marrow. But we decided to make a dessert version, so sweet version. In this dessert we're going to have a foam made with saffron, crisp made with just wheat, water and some caramel of marrow, some clarified marrow fat, lemon and bone marrow ice cream. So we start by doing this. We're gonna grate some of the clarified marrow onto this crisp, like a kind of granita, but much more lighter and not that cold, because of course it's fat. And we have a touch of freshness with lemon. Now, saffron foam, which is just very light, not too much sweet and not very fatty, because we already have fat. Then in the middle we put a scoop of marrow ice cream, which is like a normal fior di latte ice cream, so a milk-based ice cream, in which we have substitute the milk or the cream fats by using the marrow fats. We're going to cover up with a bit more of saffron foam. We remove the ring and we place our marrow crisp on top. So here we have Hommage to Milan, saffron and bone marrow.